We all know what time it is. Normally we should be going on our yearly trip to Berget this year. Normally we should be on a boat or getting ready to go on a boat. But things happened this year and yeah, it got cancelled. So this video is all about the Berget Blues. I know some of you will will get the same feeling at this time of a year. Well, in this video I'm gonna try to explain you a little bit what the Bergen Blues is and how we experience the Bergen Blues, and yeah, even this is not the most joyful video that's on the channel, but it's an important one to understand how we experience Berget and stuff like that. But at the end of the video, I got some good news. So keep around until the end of the video and I'll give you some good news. So yeah, let's get into it. I thought hard about how I should tell you this and give you an idea on how we feel when Berget was cancelled. I'm gonna try to explain you how we experienced the Berget Blues, and how the hype train that we call it is set in motion every year at some point, and yeah, let's get over it. So if we take a graph and the Y is the hype, the amount of hype we have, and the X is the year that goes by. We start rather slow on the low side because yeah, Berget has just been and we're in a little bit of a Berget Blues. But then we go up because you know, ticket sale, and we're getting ready and explaining things to each other, trying to organize us a little bit on who's going, who's not going, what do we do, what do we take, and stuff like that. After the ticket sale, it goes down a little bit because yeah, we got our ticket and everybody says it's too early to start planning. So we wait a little bit, and around, I think it's March, April, everybody's getting their gear ready. We're having more meetings and stuff like that, so the hype train really takes off. And when we're around June, yeah, we're all hyped, really hyped for this. And yeah, the top on the graph, that's the event itself, and then after the event we all go home and the Berget Blues start, and the whole graph starts over again, except this year. So yeah, we got a longer period of downtime, if I can call it downtime. I'm gonna explain very short what Berget is and a little bit why it's special to us. Well, Berget is a Milsim event that takes place in June every year, and this should have been the 18th edition. Berget has around 1800 players every event, and those players are coming from around 30 to 35 different countries around the world. So it's a very international event. The event is special to us because it's our annual big Milsim event that we go to, and it's also the event that formed the 25th Mountaineers, the team that I am in. One of those important things at Berget is the international friendships that we made, and that's something that we will be missing this year. And this is one of the reasons why we are having this bigger blues than usual. Berget is also a full year of preparations with the whole team. That means that we train, we get our vehicle in order, we pack our things, we change things on our gear, to the missions that we are going to do at Berget, and this all just disappeared this year. We went from so many preparations to almost none because of the coronavirus, and that didn't really help with the Berget Blues. So hopefully we can start up again really soon and prepare for Bellum events. That is in September, and it's also in Sweden. So that's our last event planned for this year. But as I said, I also have some good news, and because a lot of us will be having not the best time, because we will see all the pictures again from memories. Google will give us memories, Facebook will give us memories, every social media will send us memories. And to counter that, every day I will upload one video from the Berget 15, that's from 2017. I will upload it on this channel, and every day you can hang in there with us and see what we were doing 2 years ago. No, 3 years ago now. And I hope you enjoy it. So yeah, I hope you keep safe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.